Hi, I hope that you're extremely good. On this lesson, I'm going to teach you statistics. You cannot understand statistics if you don't know what is statistics. According to Dr. Mpofu, statistics is the branch of mathematics that deals with collection, representation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. Okay, let us look at an example of statistics. For instance, let's say the data of sample of students has been collected. Ages of sample of students. I'm going to write them, 7 of them. 5, 4, 3, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. The following data is the data of ages of samples online students, samples international online students. So the other one is 5 years old, the other one 4 years old, 3 years old, 5, 5, 4, 2. 7 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, there are 7. So this is Ruby, Letwin, Tendai, Rhoda, Mary. Okay, I'm joking. Those are not your ages, guys. Okay, now there are 3 measures of central attendance that you should understand when it comes to statistics. 3 measures of central attendance that we have. We have got mode, median, and mean. These are 3 measures of central attendance, and in most cases, these are the things that you'll be asked. So what do we mean when we are saying mode? You find mode from the highest frequency. And what do I mean when I'm saying the highest frequency? The term or the age that many students are having, or the term that will be repeated often. So what is our mode here? It's 5, because we've got 3 students that are 5 years old. So our modal age is 5 years. That is our mode. Then median. How do you find median? You find median from the middle term. Now, the question is, so how do you get the middle term? You arrange them in either ascending or descending order. Meaning to say you start with the bigger to the smaller, or the smaller to the bigger. It's up to you. But if you are a normal person, you should start from the smaller to the bigger. Anyway, you do whatever you want. So if you want to find, let me use another color, let me use black. If you want to calculate the median, you are going to arrange them from the smallest to the biggest, or from the biggest to the smallest. Then you are going to see your middle term. So let us start with the smallest, that is 2. So we are having, okay, let me just put it here. 2, 3, 4, and we have another 4, and we have 5, 5, 5. We have 555. Then you should always double check. I hope that is clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You should always double check. Okay, they are too tiny. Let us do the calculation down. Let's do the calculation down. Right. If you arrange them, 2, 3, 4, 4. Then we have 555. Now the middle term, it's 4. Because if you do this, 3 that side, 3 that side, and then you remain with the middle term, which is the 1 term here. So it means our median is equal to 4 years. That's our median. However, there are cases whereby you can have 2 terms in between, or the middle term you'll be having 2 terms. How do you calculate that? Let's say if your total number, if you add them, if you add your terms, if it was an even number, it means we're going to have 2 middle terms. In that case, let's say we have 4 and 5 in between. You just say 4 plus 5, then your answer, you divide it by 2. That will be your median. Then mean. To calculate mean, it's very easy, because mean is average. Mean is average. So you know how we calculate average. We calculate average like this. You add all the terms and then you divide by the total number of the terms. So you are going to add all of them. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2. Then your answer, you divide it by 7. Okay, let us do it. 5 plus 4, that is 9. 9 plus 3, that is 12. 12 plus 10. What's 5 plus 5 is 10. That will be 22. 22 plus 4, that will be 26. And 26 plus 2, that will be 27, 28. That will be 28. 26 plus 2, that will be 28. And if you say 28 divided by 7, 28 divided by 7, if you do multiples of 7, it should be 4. So it means our mean is 4. Yes, that's our mean. Right? Let us double check if our 28 is correct. Here, that is 6. 6 plus 10, that is 16. 16 plus 3, that is 19. 19 plus 4, that would be 23. 23 plus 5, that would be 28. So it means our answer is correct. Right. Now, there are cases whereby the data that will be collected, especially if it's census, maybe it's data of 1 million people, 15 million people. Do you think that it can be arranged in this manner and then it will be possible? That will be impossible. So in that case, I'm going to use the same thing for you to completely understand. Right, I want you to keep this in mind. Our mode is 5, our median 4, our mean is 4. In most cases, mode, median, and mean, they won't be that different. Sometimes, mode, median, and mean, they can be the same quantity or the same number. In that case whereby we are having millions, they will be arranged like this. A diagram is used. As I told you that mathematicians, they are very lazy. They are always trying to come up with easy solutions to quickly get the answer. So here, these are ages, right? Ages of sample of online students. And here we'll be having frequency. I'm just going to write freq because it can't fit. So our ages, they are starting from 2, 3, 4, and 5, like this, right? Now frequency will be telling you the number of students that are having that age. How many students with 2 years is 1? And how many students 3 years? 1 again. 4 years is 2. Then 5 years, 3. You are going to notice that if you add your frequency, you see how many students SEMPOF is teaching online, right? Now, if you are asked to find these measures of central attendance, which is mean, mode, and median, it's very easy. As I told you, we find mode from the highest frequency. So what is the highest frequency here? Is 3. You just go up. Our mode or age will be 5 years. Then, median. Now, median, you just find median from the middle term as I told you. So, what is half of 7? Half of 7 is 3,5. So you're going to calculate starting from this side, 1, 2. You have 3,5 here. So you indicate by the arrow. And then you calculate from the end as well. 1, oh okay, this is 3. 3 plus 2, it means you get your 3,5 here as well. So if they are both in the same box, it means you're just going to take 4 as your median. 4 will be your median. But if your half was in 2 boxes, you are going to take those 2 numbers as well, maybe 8, 3, 8, 4. You're going to say 3 plus 4, then you divide your answer by 2. Then mean. Mean is average as I told you. So mean, you calculate it like this. Let me erase here. You calculate your mean like this. Mean is equals to 2 times 1 plus 3 times 1 plus 4 times 2 plus 5 times 3 like this. Then you divide by the total number of frequencies. Total number of frequencies, which is 7. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3, that is 7. So 2 times 1, what is your answer? That is 2 plus 3 times 1, that is 3 plus 4 times 2, that is 8 plus 5 times 3, that is 15 over 7. If you add this, 2 plus 3, that will be 5. 5 plus 15, 20 plus 8, 28. So it will be 28 over 7, which is equal to 4. So it means our mean is 4. Okay, you can't see it. Okay, if you add these ones, if you add all these, you are going to get 28, right? Let me erase. So when your answer is 28, it means it will be 28 over 7, which is equal to 4. So our mean is 4 years. As you see, I showed you 2 cases, but I just used small numbers. It doesn't mean, don't normalize math. It doesn't mean that they will come only small numbers. You can have 20 here, and here it might be 15. Especially if the quantity is too much, like as I told you, when census is done, it's impossible for them to arrange it in this manner. They should use this table, and Frequent will be telling you the number of the students that will be having that certain age. I hope that you completely benefited, and if there is any question that you want to ask about mean, mode, and median, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you think that SEMPOF should continue uploading and recording these beneficial lessons, if they're beneficial to you, let me know in the comment section. Introduce your friends and family that are struggling with mathematics, or those that want to rewrite mathematics. I don't want to lie to you. Mathematics was easy, is easy, and shall be always easy, if and if only you stay focused. So you should stay focused.